We talked. How did we talk? We talked loudly. He drove the car. How did he drive? He drove the car quickly. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lingoni English. My name is Emily. In this video, I'm going to teach you about adverbs of manner. So, let's get started. What is an adverb of manner? Well, remember, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb or an action. So, it explains how we do something. We talked. How did we talk? We talked loudly. He drove the car. How did he drive? He drove the car quickly. To make most adverbs, all we have to do is add ly to the end of that adjective. Sad becomes sadly. Quiet becomes quietly. Quick becomes quickly. Careful becomes carefully. Loud becomes loudly. Soft becomes softly. So, some examples are: the children play loudly. I pet the cat softly. How do the children play? Loudly. How did I pet the cat? Softly. Sometimes you have to add another letter in before the ly. One example is happy becomes happily. The boy sang happily. The boy sang happily. But wait, there are some more common exceptions too. Exceptions don't follow the normal rules. These are: fast still remains fast. So, the car drove fast. How did the car drive? The car drove fast. Hard remains hard. He looked hard at that paper. He looked hard at the paper. Late remains late. The teacher arrived late. How did she arrive? Late. And good becomes well. So good, well. If she is a good singer, you could say, she sang very well. She sang very well. Also, if an adjective already ends in an ly, you don't have to change anything. For example, hourly, daily, weekly, yearly, etc. I do my taxes yearly. I go grocery shopping weekly. Okay, so where does the adverb go in the sentence? It can go after the main verb. We talked quietly. He sings badly. They drive carefully. It can also go after an object. We talked about the party quietly. He sings the song badly. I drove the car carefully. And it can go before the main verb. We quietly talked. I carefully drove. Okay, so how about I give you some sentences and you fill in the blank with the adverb. Are you ready? They spoke about the surprise party. They spoke quietly about the surprise party. We made lunch. We quickly made lunch. He finished the job. He finished the job happily. You speak English very. You speak English very well. Well, how'd you do? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget, Lingoni English offers an app. In the app, you can practice what you've learned in this video and all of our other videos with worksheets and interactive exercises and so much more to help you improve your English. Thanks so much for watching Lingoni English. We'll see you in the app, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.